Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to share your mobile network other mobile. So we need to go our setting first. After we want to see how to do it. Okay, we have come here and we need to go connection and we want to see our hotspot, mobile hotspot and tethering. Here we will click and go mobile hotspot. Okay, we want it confirm. Okay, something waiting my mobile now. Okay, done. You see my mobile here coming a sign upside the Wi-Fi. That is our mobile hotspot, and we go here, click and go inside. See Android AP58C 83C. This is our hotspot Wi-Fi number, Wi-Fi, and we have password here. You see password QHWZ4600. This is our hotspot password. Now if I have my mobile inside MB, that can use other one if I give this password. So you know how to share your MB or SIM MB, how to share other mobile. Must you use hotspot and coming here and use like this process, and you can share your MB with other mobile. Okay, if you uh, if you think useful my video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.